Hey, Vinny here from Project Frugal. So I was going to go and get some fish and chips, but the shop's shut, and it's my favourite fish and chip shop, so we're going to do it at home tonight. We're going to save some money, and I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. So here's the ingredients. We've got these chips, straight cut, $2 a kilo from Countdown, really cheap, quite good. I bought this chicken, so it's not exactly fish and chips, it's chicken and chips, and we're also going to cook some fish as well. This was $7.50, it's 1.5 kilos, that's heaps. This drink, cola, and I chuck it in the fridge, $1, cheap. I got this hoki. These are hoki fillets. Hoki's okay. This was on special. This was $6.50 for 6 bits of fish. I'm sure the cat'll like it. Denise made this delicious coleslaw, which will be probably okay. So we'll have that with it as well. And we've got some tomato sauce. Waddy's is my favourite. We'll use that. And that's about it. Let's cook it up. So we got this delicious frozen chicken straight in the oven. We'll chuck the oven on 200 Celsius, that is. So that chicken's probably going to take an hour and a half to cook, so we'll cook the rest of the food once the chicken's just about done.
One eternity later.
Okay, so we're going to cook the chips. Should take about 10 minutes, 160 degrees. It's cooked in olive oil, so it should be relatively healthy as it's going to get. Put some fish in the oven there. Chicken's just about done. Right, so there we go. Fish and chips with chicken and salad and some bread and all that sort of stuff. Looks good. Let's dig in.